you know, there is. So we are trying to help so that each individual person gets support, who is in trouble, who is in difficulty. And I feel somewhere that these children are already having so much of feelings for those kind of. There's
Intention
nothing
is
but
very,
to
very
help.
clear. It's what we want. First, our priorities are we are very clear what our objectives are: employment, education, skill development training, healthcare. We are trying to go forward in these verticals. Yes.
I'm very, very happy that they are already on that platform. They have been doing a lot, and I'm sure they're going to.
The third event this month.
This is the third event this month.
Yes.
But health camp they have done, and I'm so happy that this is what everybody should learn. This is something that everybody should learn to give to the people who are in need, help them in the right time, and support each and every.
What we see the major concern right now for us is that 1.2 crore population of Bengaluru. You know the population, of course, your media people, you know.
He's looking in a very vast and a bigger way.
No, why not? See, it is not any individual one person's problem. मैं day one से यही बोल रहा हूँ, it's not my personal problem, it is our problem. As a whole, as a ummah, as a society, as a citizen, it is our problem. So we all have already we are together, alhamdulillah, thanks to the creator and my mom's blessings. We are all together under one roof today. Just that together, same way we should continue this work consistently. I know sometimes you'll be tired, sometimes you want to give up, sometimes you want to go to Goa, Dubai, but we have to work hard in the next 1 year, 1.5 years.
And people everybody should join
hands together. Please don't think that it is only one person or two people. It is all of us together as brothers and sisters.
Join hands, then we can make wonders.
What is our see now in the 20 lakh population? You know what is the attendance ratio? Do you know what is the attendance ratio of our community at school? Attendance ratio मालूम आपको? Gender ratio मालूम? I'm asking straightforward questions. So the literacy rate, socio-economic backgrounds, have we segregated as per the literacy rate? So these are hard-hitting questions which we need to ask government today. Now women, what women want today, especially I'm talking about below poverty line, what they want? Work from home. Am I right or wrong? Correct? No, it's a pulse in the market. What are we doing to solve that problem? Every constituency should have a hybrid placement officer. नहीं तो skill development training cell constituency में. What is our job? Helpline number डाल को inshallah our helpline number should be able to at least either organize interviews for you. If not, provide first step is soft skills training. हमारा कौम में प्रॉब्लम है, हमना भी मालूम, solution भी उतना difficult नहीं है. It's easy, but we want support of leaders, institutional leaders, and public at large. What we, for example, if you give us a space, we will conduct the skill development training program, soft skill training program. We will ensure 3 months, 6 months down the line, they will be placed for job. Inshallah, fixed income should come. See, I'm giving one example. Like this 360 degree, we have to see.
We need genuine lead, the real support.
And inshallah, next job fair, inshallah, again we will do, inshallah, in the next 2 months.
Salman should also be one of the leaders so that he can.
Inshallah.
I'm sure Salman becomes one of the leader. He can definitely do wonders because his intention is so pure. The people should be selected. In the future, I think if Salman becomes a leader, I don't think so there will be poverty.
Ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. My mother has said this, it's enough strength for next time.
MashaAllah, आज हमारा it is gone beyond our expectation. जो हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन था उससे भी ज़्यादा क्राउड आके है और हमारा आज almost 160 stalls नॉन IT और IT का है आज और इधर as of now what I'm seeing is that हर एक स्टूडेंट को I think they're able to get the jobs now from morning till afternoon. They're getting able to get jobs, and we're making sure that there's we have a different teams. Like we see first see the documentation of the student, but he has to be minimum eligibility should be there for that. But end of the day हमारा क्या है 85% there should be a what is that 85% overall job मिलना है.
पहली बात तो मैं सबको कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाह रही हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा आज मौका है. 150 प्लस कंपनीज आके है और मोर देन 3000 प्लस कैंडिडेट्स आके है. मैं कैंडिडेट्स को भी ऑल द बेस्ट बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि एंड वी अप्रिशिएट दैट दे हैव कम आउट ओवर हियर. And I'd also like to congratulate Salman and his entire team for putting this out and working tirelessly for the last 10 days and doing such a large-scale event, which is really beneficial for the entire community.
एक तरफ जो है जोरदार बारिश में इस बारिश के मौके पर भी जो है नौजवान जो है जॉब में अपना इंटरव्यू देने के लिए आए हैं तो कितनी नीडी हो सकते हैं उसके ऊपर आप जो है
डेफिनेटली बेशक बहुत नीडी है, इसीलिए वो आए हैं. और इन द टाइम्स दैट वी आर लिविंग इन पोस्ट कोविड वेयर you know our education has taken a very bad hit, and that's why there's such a large turn up today, and we've identified the right situation, that education is really needed, and the opportunity to provide jobs as well. And I think Salman identified it very rightly and took a very right step in the right direction, and that's why the crowd agrees with him, and they've come up and turned out in spite of the rain today.